Assalamualaikum. It's nice to meet you again. It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a backpack, a frame backpack. But before I start, as usual, please support my channel by giving me your thumb ups, leave your comment below, share, and please subscribe and push the notification button so if I upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thank you. Okay, let's get started with the supplies, of course. And these are I use faux leather katsu for the main exterior, the bottom panels. If you prefer in one piece, it's okay. And these are two for the main exterior, and this is how I arrange the owls. We also need clasp frames. Next, we will need fabric for the main interior, and these are two for the bottom panels. We will join it into one, and these are for the main interior for the front and back, and these are for the interlining. I use a form. And this is how I arrange before I sew the applique for the owl. I use double tape to have the faux leather in place before I sew it. If you prefer using a glue, it's okay, it's up to you. Join the main exterior for the bottom, so it become one piece. And then put the interfacing on it. Here I use foam, and we will sew all around the edges. Zigzag, and the length is about 5. Finish with attaching the interlining to the main exterior. Now we will join the part of the main exterior, and this is how I arrange it. First we have to make the bottom panel and the front panel in line by put the clip on it. Start from the center and then we adjust it, and do the same for the other side for the back panel. And after we keep it with the pins, we just sew it. Okay, finish with the main exterior. Now it's time to join the main interior, and of course we have to make the small V or the small mark to their center line, to mark their center line, and then keep their edges in line by using pins or clips before we sew it. And of course, for one of the panel of the main interior, we have to make some part unsewn, so it will be used as an opening. Okay, the main interior is ready. Now we just put the main exterior in it, and piece their good side together and pin on its critical points, such as their middle, their center line, or middle point, or on the corners. Keep it with the pins or clips, and then sew it. My tips: if you use a portable sewing machine, put the extension table off, so it will make us easier to sew the bag. Cut the excess foam as close as possible to the stitch. And then turn the inside out through the opening. Make it tidy by putting a clip on it, and then mark the center line. And then put the center of the clasp through the center of the bag and make a temporary stitch to keep the clasp on its place. Do it for the both sides. For the permanent stitch, I prefer using a nylon thread because it's transparent, so it will look nicer. Okay, start from the back. Get the thread out through the second hole of the frame, and then bring it back through the first hole of the frame. And after that, bring it out again through the fourth hole of the frame and bring it back through the third hole of the frame. It's all over the frame. Okay, our bag is ready now, and thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment below. Push the notification button so you will get a notification if I upload the new videos. See you on my next tutorial. Thank you and Bye.